an animatronic bird up here.
Alrighty, friends, come around this way.
Watch your head, watch your step. We're going to go all the way around the engine to the side of the diver. And come all the way forward. All the way forward. Past the bowling alley, past the casino, past the pool tables, past the water slide, past the salad bar. What's a salad bar next to a water slide? You have croutons in your bathing suit. Just slide down the bench a little bit more. Just have a seat right here where the guest of honor sits. Right there. Right next to the sacrificial altar. Thank you for bringing your own sacrifice. Thank you. You like barbecue? We'll serve you first, don't worry. Aren't you tender? That wasn't a compliment. That was a question from the chef, actually. All right, who woke up this morning and said, Jungle Cruise, we're doing it today?
Yeah.
Yeah, same here. 8 hours of this. First time on the Jungle Cruise? Anybody? First time on the Jungle Cruise? Wow, same here.
Wow.
You're gonna have
Those
fun.
all you new people, just reach under your seats and take out your 3D glasses. That's that kind of ride. And away we go. Everybody wave goodbye to all the beautiful people we're leaving on the dock. Goodbye, all the beautiful people on the dock. All right, now wave goodbye to all the other people on the dock. Bye, all the others. Welcome aboard the world-famous Jungle Cruise. For your safety, please remain seated at all times, keeping all hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And parents, please supervise your children. I'll be your skipper for the next 14 days and 3 romantic nights. Wasn't that refreshing? Little Gif and the monkeys up in the trees. They're having a water fight. Don't panic. I'll be your skipper. My name is Stephen. I spell it with a V. Now, if you happen to spell Stephen with a PH, well, you're wrong. Over here on the right side of the boat, we have the Temple of the Forbidden Eye, where famous archaeologist Dr. Indiana Jones is searching for the world's greatest treasure. But you folks don't have to look very far for the world's greatest treasure. Up right here. World's greatest treasure, right up here. For the shot. Over here on the left side of the boat, we have our Bengali Tiger. Now, he grows up to be 500 pounds and can jump 30 feet, but don't worry, we're about 20 feet away. He'll just jump right over us. Next, we have the 4 of the most dangerous and poisonous cobras. Uh-oh. We have 4 cobras. We're missing one. Everybody look around your feet. We're missing cobra. Is that one by your foot? Sorry, my mistake. Don't. It's just a spider. Not as big as your foot. Wow. All right, get your cameras ready. We're now entering into the majestic Indian elephant bathing pool. Now you can take as many pictures as you like. As you can see, they're all wearing their trunks. Now these are all Indian elephants. Now who can tell me how we can tell that these are all Indian elephants? Because we're in India, it should have been your first clue. Over here on the right side of the boat, we have a little baby elephant. His name is Squirt. He's cute. Tries to get you wet. You have nothing to worry about from him. He's not your problem. It's his big brother, Big Squirt, coming up on the right. Oh, that was really close. Dare to do that a second time. Oh, he is. Everybody on the right side of the boat, you may want to watch out. He's coming up again and he's got absolutely nothing. We call that dry humor. Now coming up, we have wow! Did you see that explosion? That looked really dangerous. Let's go check it out. Okay, so I was supposed to introduce you to our new skipper. His name is Felix. We're supposed to pick him up with his crew at this campsite. Looks like the gorillas have taken it over. Oh, look what they did to the place. Oh, look what they did to that Jeep. Really? They left the lights on? Let me get that thing to turn over now. Hey! Oh, wow, look at this on the left side of the boat. Check out the left side of the boat. Vigilant. And over here on the right, we have another gorilla. Now that gorilla can grow to be 500 pounds and can jump 30 feet. I'll just jump right over. Now, in front of us, we have Schweitzer Falls. But we're going to go over that later. Don't worry, I haven't missed this turn yet. So that was Schweitzer Falls. Now, Schweitzer Falls was named after that very famous doctor and humanitarian. We've all heard that name before, Dr. Albert Falls. Over here on the left side of the boat, we have a rare treat for you. It's the African bull elephant. The African bull elephant has sometimes large lumpy ears, amazing tusks, and terrific memory. I wish I had the memory of an African bull elephant. On the right side of the boat, we have a rare treat for you. It's the African bull elephant. The African bull elephant is known for its large, floppy ears, amazing tusks, and terrific memory. I wish I had the memory of an African bull elephant. Now, these were all African elephants. Now, how do we know that these were African elephants? No, big ears and tusks. I just said it twice, right over there. No memory like an African elephant, I can tell you that. All right, we're now entering into the African Veldt, and we have some beautiful animals that have come out to see us. Way in the back, we have some gazelles. We have some canoes, giraffes, gazebras, lions trying to wake up their friend, Mr. Gazebra, who's taking a nap. So they'll wake them up just in time for the lunch. Oh, here's Skipper Felix. Hey, Felix, great job. You saved your crew from those gorillas. No problem, though. Where's your boat? Felix, I know it's your first day, but you lost your boat and you get into an argument with a rhinoceros? Don't ever do that. They always get their point across in the end. Yeah, don't write them. I just read them. And we're now entering into the hippopotamus meeting pool. Now, hippos are normally a very docile animal. However, they can be territorial, so if they're wiggling their ears or blowing bubbles, that means they're going to attack. So, I'm just fire a couple of shots in the air to try to scare them off. Hold your ears. Wow, look at that. It scared him stiff. Oh, would you look at that? That's what happened to Skipper Felix's boat. What they did to it. They left the lights on. Wonder what happened to the front. Oh, there it is right in front of me. Overrun by monkeys. Have you ever seen this before? Some monkey standing up in the front of a boat holding a microphone, chattering away like an idiot? What are y'all looking at me for? I'm talking about the other boat. Let's get out of here before my boss realizes she can pay him a lot less than what she's paying me. Probably has better jokes, too. Oh, great. 2 more monkeys on the left. Wait, that looks like Annette. I have no idea who the other monkey is, but he must be Italian because his box says Fragile. Oh, some of you have seen the movie. Okay, great. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the moment you've all been waiting for, the 8th wonder of the world. It's the backside of water. O2H, O2H, O2H. Oh, I'm the other one doing that. That was awkward. So the joke here is the front side of water being H2O. The back side... Really? Don't try that at home. You'll hit your head on the faucet.
Oh, it is.
Don't ask me how I know that. And we're now entering into the Amazon River Delta. This is part of our journey I find the most boring because I got to stop here and talk about all the plants and the trees. Okay, so as you can see, we're completely surrounded on all sides by some of the most dense and lush vegetations of different varieties. Oh no, we're being attacked by piranhas! Oh, they're coming up everywhere! Oh, that was close. Now, I was supposed to do a joke about plants and trees, but unfortunately I haven't botany. We have a Burmese Python sitting in the tree. H-I-S-S-I-N-G. And we know it's a python because it's exactly 3.14159 meters long. Python. That was a math joke. And if you ever lost anything on Jungle Cruise, you can always buy it back at our gift shop. It's called Trader Sam's Lost and Found. That's right, Trader Sam. Every single thing that Trader Sam has found is something that you want, and we sell it back to you at Schweitzer Falls. Right now I'm just giving you all a preview of what to expect when you leave the park today. Traffic. Alright, while we're waiting, anybody celebrating a birthday today? No birthdays today? This week? Oh, we got a birthday right there? Okay, we'll do a birthday song for you. Everybody clap, 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 clap. This is your birthday song. It's not so very long. Happy birthday. Was that embarrassing? No? You'll love the second verse. Everybody clap, 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 clap. This is the second verse. It's shorter than the... Everybody graduate this year. Nobody graduated this year? What a sad commentary on our education system. Right? Well, I'll tell you. Okay, just I will point out some of the more exotic plants that we have here. Oh. Oh, do you want me to name them? That one there with the red flowers. Dave.
Dave.
Looks like a Dave to me. Okay. I'm just gonna pull up right here. I realize I forgot to update my passport photo. Okay, go ahead. You're not gonna take my picture? You're just gonna smile at me and tease me, right? Okay. Prom night all over again. Okay. Alright, everybody, put your hands together and give yourselves a big loud cheer. You just survived the world famous Jungle Cruise! Hey, that wasn't bad. Can you do that again but louder? I want to make the boat in front of us jealous. Everybody, 1, 2, 3! We had a better time than you did. We're on the right-hand side. Did you guys have a good time?
Yes.
So did I. Thanks for asking.
Make sure all hands and elbows are inside the boat. You don't want to get caught between the boat and the dock. That would be a lot of peer pressure. And remember to remain seated until we come to a complete stop.
I know, we're getting it like super
Yeah, in Florida they used to get it for Christmas.
Oh, that's cool.
Jingle Cruise.
Oh, that's fun.
Alright, well, we're waiting. I guess I'll show you around the place. We have a dock on the right, we have a dock on the left. So as we pull forward, we're going to be going through a paradox. Oh, did you think the good jokes were saved for the end? I'm sorry, sweetie. You can't leave right now. Bring her back inside. Yeah, I know the jokes were lame, but, you know, no escaping. I like a captive audience myself. Don't get into that water. I don't know where you've been. Did you know that 6 out of 7 dwarves are not happy? When Captain Hook first got his hook, it wasn't new. He got it at a second-hand store. Yeah, this is the level that they're going to continually go down. Be prepared for that. We have a dock over here. It's made out of 2 different kinds of wood, both hickory and chicory. So we call that the hickory-chicory dock. So what y'all from? Wow, same here. Alright, please keep all hands and arms inside the boat and please remain seated. It's only a crazy person. Stands up in the front of a moving boat. Get out. I'm sorry, that was so rude. Please, get out. Those of you on the dock side, please stand up. You'll be exiting out of the middle of the boat. Those of you on the water side, just head straight back the same way you came in, pushing and shoving the people in front of you. Please watch your head, watch your step, use those handrails. Do not cross over the boxes and be seduced by the dock side. Mon fromage et paella con queso. Those are the last 2 cheesy jokes you'll hear from me.
Watch your head, those watches, Jack. Watch your head, folks, watch your step.
Yep. Awesome. Got it. You can load them on the